Welcome back, everyone, for today's wildlife news. I'm going to divulge into the world of this social media trend of parasite cleanses and the propriety of promoting taking a supplement to cleanse out if you think you have a parasite. Now, some of those are things like wormwood, black walnut hair, clove oil, golden seal, etc. And if you guys are new to my channel, you know that I am a certified wildlife biologist, and I have been for a while. So despite these widespread claims that are all over social media that saying you can take these, I can tell you there is no scientific basis in the community does not endorse for taking these cleanses for a parasitic infection. Standard effective over-the-counter medication from a doctor is the best course. So your vague symptoms you might have if you think you had, such as bloating, fatigue, digestive issues is what people say they might have. They're not reliable indicators. If you went to an area that was high in parasitic rate infection and you had a massive weight loss, etc., you have misleading evidence. Reports saying their stool was cleansed because they had undigested food fibers or herbs. Also, these are unregulated by the FDA. That means there's no guarantee that they contain what the label says or they're safe to consume. The risks, of course, delaying treatment, self-treating suspicion infection can lead to much worse or serious condition. Herb toxicity and side effects such as wormwood and black walnut hull can be toxic to the liver and the nervous system, especially in high doses. Irritation, nausea, dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, drug imbalances, interactions. If you're taking other medications, of course you have gut microbe disruption. It can kill off your helpful gut bacteria. And of course, contaminated products. They're not regulated. There's a risk they could have toxic things like heavy metals in. So if you do have them, if you think you really do, please go see a doctor. If it is, in fact, a parasitic infection, they'll test from a lab. Get proper treatment if you do. And investigate those causes if you have other GI symptoms and treat the actual cause of the actual discomfort. Thanks so much, and I appreciate all your like and support and subscribe.